Snap. And this is how this one came out. Hey. Greetings, family. My name is Danielle, for everyone who doesn't know, and I run a business by the name of Bella Visions Created. And in this video, as you see, my two twin 7-year-old girls, we're making slime in the beginning, and then later on, we're going to be making and packaging up an order for their teachers. The beginning of the video is just us sitting, having some fun, making slime without a recipe, because sometimes life it's just life, and you don't have the recipe to life. Things come out how they come out, and they are not to your liking. So it's up to you to pivot and make changes in order to have the outcome that you want. So we pretty much just winged making slime. And then in the second part, we realized that we were missing some things, and we wound up fixing it and adding our color, and it came out just the way we wanted it to in the end. So we enjoyed our time having fun, so that's pretty much our lesson for today. And that day was enjoy the process. There's going to be bumps along the way, but an experience is what you make of it and what you take from it.
Oh, and Elise, if you're watching this video, thank you.
It's me. I'm back. For those who don't know, my name is Danielle. I run a small t-shirt making, cup making business by the name of Bella Visions Created. You can find us at bellavisionscreated.com. It's me and my two 7-year-old daughters. And for those who do know, hey y'all, how y'all doing? I know y'all missed me. If y'all didn't, y'all should have. I like to make gifts. I like to show the people that take care of me and my family that I love them and that I appreciate them. And I do that by making gifts. So I would rather make their gift than to buy their gift. In all actuality, it probably costs me more to make a gift than it does for me to buy a gift. But I just enjoy it. I enjoy making stuff for people. I enjoy the face that they make when they finally get their gift and they're like, oh my gosh, girl, this is beautiful. So we're doing that. And then also some of the stuff that these teachers like, you're not supposed to be selling. For instance, things that have baseball teams or football teams on them, you're not supposed to be selling those things. And I don't want to partake in getting people in trouble. So I would rather just make my gift, because one of the gifts definitely has the Georgia Bulldogs on it. And yes, I know she's gonna love it though, because she loves the Georgia Bulldogs. I definitely asked her what are her favorite things, and she said the Georgia Bulldogs. And I know she loves pink, and yes. And then one of the teachers, their main teacher, she has her own like class type of logo thing going, not logo but like saying, so I'll utilize that. And I love her so much. She's freaking amazing teacher. Both of them are amazing teachers. Unfortunately, one of them is retiring this year, and she's been working for, I think she said 36 years. That's Girl, that's older than me. So we love it. We love to allow our educators to get a break, but you know, there are so few educators that really, really love their job. So it sucks that she's leaving, but I'm happy that I got to experience her and my daughters got to experience her. So this is one design. Like I said, the Georgia Bulldogs. And this is the other design. And her class is called the Awesome Achiever. So she is an awesome achievements facilitator. And of course, she is the best teacher ever because she's my baby's teacher. All day, yes. So y'all can come with me along. Well, y'all can come along with me to make these tumblers. I'm making them some 20 ounces. I got a, you know, one of these old-fashioned cutters because my other one just wasn't cutting it. Probably because my printer for some reason be printing crooked. But I got this one off of Amazon, and I'm hoping that I can make my printer just prints crooked, because this is definitely crooked. Alright, so I can't even use this because I'm gonna wind up cutting off part of my design. So what I'm going to use is that. And look, I have a personal appointment at 1 o'clock, and my baby got an appointment at 2 o'clock. So I need to make it do what it do. So what I'm gonna do is use the ruler to go over the edge of the design. Then I take the blade and push it up to the ruler. And then that's how I cut it off. What I'm going to do is pour the alcohol on the towel, the paper towel, stick my hand inside of the cup and wipe off anything that may possibly be on here, including the oil from my hands. I'm going to do this for both because I'm going to wrap both of them at the same time and press one after the other. So we just make sure we get a little lint, you know, little lint balls, a little fingerprints, whatever might be on the cups off. Because when you press it, if there's lint on your medium, you will wind up having a spot missing. So that's done. And then I flip my cups upside down. Make sure your design is upside down, because I've done it. Press the cup and the design was the right way, and yeah. So my design is just a little too big. It's not a kiss design. It doesn't kiss the edges. So my question is, do I want the logo or do I want her name? And I want her name. So we've wrapped them. We wrapped both of them. And now it's time to press. We're gonna press these bad boys over here. Look, I'm trying to figure out where I'm fit to set y'all. How y'all doing? Nice to meet y'all. I'm set. So I've preheated the tumbler to 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And when I preheat my tumbler press, I always put a blank that I've made a mistake on in it and some butcher paper. I'm gonna close it. I put the tape up first and I'm gonna press that for 60 seconds. Open it gently because we don't want to shake and rattle it. Then we're going to turn it over and we're gonna press it again for another 60 seconds. So since we're waiting for the cups to cool, I'm gonna go get the things that go with the cup. They get 2 straws, one is stainless steel and one is plastic, so I'm gonna get that now. This is the big reveal. And it ghosted on the top. Just a little bit. He snapped. And this is how this one came out. Absolute perfection. If you like what you saw, please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to go to Bella Visions Created and place you a good old order. I make shirts such as these and other designs that talk about and portray the affirmations and challenges of being a woman. So definitely come check us out. And
we make custom tumblers. As you see, I made a custom one specifically for my daughter's teachers. And yes, just go check us out. Make sure you go buy something, okay? Show your support, show your love. But most of all, please smash that subscribe button and hit that like. And turn on your bell notifications so that you know when we post, okay? Until the next time, later.